In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message in Slack. This is a fundamental feature that can help keep your conversations organized and on point, especially when you're collaborating with a team. So let's dive right in and make sure you're able to use this handy feature with ease. First, you'll want to go to slack.com and open your workspace. If you're already logged in, you can simply navigate to the workspace you're a part of. If you're not logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're in your workspace, you'll see the familiar interface where all your channels and messages live. Take a moment to find where everything is displayed. Your channels on the left, along with any direct messages you have, and the main panel which holds the messages and threads. Once your workspace is open, the next step is to locate the specific message you're interested in replying to. This could be in any channel or direct message thread. With so many conversations happening, Slack makes it convenient to isolate these discussions. Next to each message, there's a small bubble icon with the phrase reply in thread. Go ahead and click on this option. It's going to open up that particular message in a thread format on the right side of your Slack window. This allows you to have a conversation directly related to that message without cluttering the main channel with side discussions. After you've got the message opened in the thread view, it's time to type your reply. At the bottom of the thread pane, there's a text field labeled Add a Reply. Click in this text field and you can start typing your response just as you would for any Slack message. Try to keep your reply clear and concise, sticking to the topic at hand. Once you're satisfied with your reply, the next thing to do is to click the Send Now button. It's usually located at the bottom right of the thread pane. Clicking this button will post your message directly in the thread, ensuring the conversation stays tidy and organized. Remember, sending your message in this way means it's tied to the specific message you're replying to, making it easy for others to follow along later. And there you have it. You've successfully replied to a specific message in Slack. This small but powerful feature can greatly enhance the way you communicate within your workspace, ensuring that your conversations remain efficient and that everyone stays on the same page. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your digital tools. See you in the next video.